Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to live session on this beautiful Wednesday. Market is rallying and we are ready to make some money today. We have 2 minutes until the markets open. I hope you guys are feeling well and okay. And if you guys can hear me loud and clear, please do let me know so I will adjust my mic before we start. Alright, everything seems perfect. Let me see. So a couple of things before we start. Let's quickly check over the market. I have took one trade before the market opened. It was a London session and it was a short trade. And now I'm waiting for you guys to trade together. NASDAQ is up 0.4%, the S&P 0.5%. Market is basically very choppy those days. There is no clear direction yet, and maybe it's because of the war that has not been, cleared out if Israel will hit Iran or what. So market doesn't like this kind of things, and yesterday Powell said that there will be less the rate adjustments. So we are expecting 4 cuts or 3 cuts just starting of the year, but now we are expecting just one, so that's a problem for the market. And as you can see that the market is on a ranging mode now. So it's a problem for the market. We are about to start. All right. Let me see who is in the house. The PK Corners in the house. Welcome to live session. Hazal in the house. Welcome to live session. Currency trade. We are trading NASDAQ today, and if there is any opportunity, we could also take trade in the NQ and the Dow Jones. Look how market is tanking with the market opening bell here. Not took any position yet, just waiting for some opportunities over here. And we are using Laxalgos indicator, signals and overlays to price action concepts. Look how market is flashing now with the bell. Let's see, market just took out these highs before the market opened, and so we just reversing back. Ashish in the house, welcome to live session, guys. So what I don't like about the market is when I see this big candle with the market open here, I don't get any chance to enter a trade regarding to my target, right? So this is kind of, I hate, but we don't have power to do anything about it. So we got a one classified buy signal. You know how I understand the market is very choppy. I understand when I enable the backtesting tool, I get very low percentage win rate. So that's a problem. Even if I change the time frame on the higher time frames, like a 5 minute or so, I get very low quality win rates. Look at this, 26%. It's a total crap. So what I can suggest is today we will be very careful. I have already banked like $100. It's not too much, but it's something I love to see green in my whole accounts. I suggest the same thing to you also. So we have a bullish fair value gap here on the 5 minute, but we will trade with the 1 minute since the market open and there is high volatility going on. We are now activated, I guess, the seek and destroy mode. We have a very small fair value gap. Maybe this will work. So the targets are very clear actually. We have this target here. The blue lines are my targets, right? So if you see blue on my screen, blue lines, these are my targets. Whether it's on the upside or the downside, doesn't matter. If I take a position, so I will aim for those highs or lows. So if you guys have any questions, please do let me know. Don't be shy, just type into chat box. I will answer everything that you ask me regarding to the Lux algo or the indicators or the market or personal questions, whatever you want. You can ask me now, because we are just tape reading and waiting for opportunity. And what I see now is, like, if we don't get crushed by this fair value gap, this is a nice. So let's see what 3.8. So still no position with the market open here. And let's see the markets. The Bitcoin is down from the all-time highs like 10%. It's now trading at $62,500. This is a very clear short opportunity actually. This fair value gap is so small, and the trend tracer and catcher still green. Very choppy market, very choppy market. I don't want to push the button before I am sure, because I'm trading in front of you guys and I don't want get infected you by the bad way. So the rules are rules. The gold is up 0.3%. There are saying that the gold can reach a 5k or 3k, and I saw that in the weekend when the war is escalated, it has reached $3,300, and I was shocked, because if we see something like this, like a war escalates, so I think the gold will increase like a 50% in one night. I will not be shocked or surprised. So this is what I expect. So look how the targets are going good. So if you are in this trade, you can just move your stop loss to your break even. It's a free trade. I didn't took it, but that was a nice one, to be honest. So we have a question here. I am from India. I always watched you. I trading since 2 years, but in a loss. How to improve psychology? So I think the thing here is you have already learned the strategy and you have found the strategy that works for you. But the problem here is the psychology, as far as I understand from your question. The thing here is, I always say 80% of the trading is psychology. So when you open your position, so for example like this, you see a green but it's getting smaller. Should you close now or should you run with it? So these kind of things will improve while you trade, and you should stick with the plan, and you should not wait when you are in the red, and you should wait when you are in the green. It's the exact same strategy, it's the exact same psychology. You have to act same whether you are in the profit or in the loss. So let's see that the Dow Jones just make a session high here, and the NASDAQ didn't make a session high. So S&P didn't make a session high. So it's kind of still in a bearish market. I don't see a clear setup rather than this, and this is also a low probe here. So what we have here? So still no trade from my side, guys, since the market open. so let me see. Ashish, I hope you got your answer, my friend. If you look the signals here, you can clearly understand that the market is chopping around here. Yeah, you're welcome. So if you guys have any questions, please do let me know, because today is kinda, choppiness day. If I see any opportunity, we'll took it. I was looking over the crypto market over the weekend, and I don't know if you guys know, but I'm using Bybit, and there is a campaign going on. If you deposit $100, you will get a $30 as a bonus, and this is just special for my subscribers. So if you trade in crypto, you could consider taking that $30. Why not? It's a free money, right? And if you like it, you can trade there. So we'll link here, we'll put the link, so don't miss out this. And Bybit is a very large exchange, and I will start trading there. I don't trade much crypto, but I know that there are a lot of you guys are here for crypto strategies and tactics. So I will start trading crypto on the Bybit, so that's a great thing. They have very amazing features, like even you can use the MetaTrader. Alright, awesome. When the market is choppy, it's kind of boring day, I know, but this fair value gap act very strong. As you can see, that the initial idea was like this. This one, it's still going good, looking good. Okay, we see another flash here. I think we will reach the target now. I start trading with the take profit trader. I start, take a look at them. I saw that if you pass the challenge, you can just withdraw your money anytime you want. So there is no limit like a $2,000. You need to make more after you pass the challenge. So it seems nice. A little bit expensive than the Apex, but it's always nice to have an alternative for the Apex. As you guys know that the prop firms nowadays are struggling, and we hear a lot of bad things. They shut down, they just disappear. So for something like that, you need to have an alternative. Look at the Dow Jones over here. It's crazy. It's skyrocketing. It is like trading in different day than the NASDAQ here. Let me just quickly show you what's wrong with my, yeah, look at this. It's making a session high, but the NASDAQ over here, let me check if you can see it. Yeah, so it's a whole different story than the NASDAQ over here. What I notice is this week is Dow Jones is performing way better than the NQs. Maybe we should switch up sometimes our contracts, rather we don't have to trade the NASDAQ always. So it doesn't matter we trade the the crude oil or the NQ or the Dow Jones. As long as there is an opportunity, we are there. Nilesh Singh, what indicator is best for commodity trade in hourly time frame? I think, to be honest, the Lux Algo will give you very very good entries, and there is one important thing that everyone should understand. If you want to trade with one indicator, you have to backtest that. You have to backtest this strategy. But the problem with the market will always change its behavior. Sometimes it will be in a bull run, sometimes it will be a bearish run, or sometimes it will be in a ranging market like this. So what I do now is I open the backtesting tool in the Lux Algo and see the win rates are so low on my time frames, which is the 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute, 10 minute, even I go for 15 minutes and it looks very bad. So what I do is I stop following the signals. I just follow the price action, and if I see some clear setup, I will take it. So the message here is you don't have to trade every day, and you need to always watch out your strategy and adjust regarding to market. So for your question, what I can suggest, and if you are a swing trader, the Lux Algos toolkit will be a perfect fit for you. And if you want to check out, there is a link in the pinned comment, and there is up to 20% off. And Angel in the house, NQ will turn around, go up, higher time frame is up. Yeah, my bias is also bullish, and you can confirm that with the Dow Jones here, because in that kind of situations there is one behavior that NQs do. It will follow the Dow Jones, but the problem is where will this turn will happen, because I want to catch it in this bad trading day. Look at this Dow Jones. Okay, I think we will have a trade very soon if I see some confirmation here. So this is the worst price action that you can see. Look at this. The market open here, a big down candle, then up candle, then down. There is a wick which we hated. And look at this. There is a huge wick, then the up candle. Wow, what is this? I want to see a clear price action. Look at the Dow Jones here. It's a pure perfection. The previous week low got broken. There is a trend line here, break of structure over here. We have a fair value gap. We have a 2 classified buy signal and bullish fair value gaps activated. So it's awesome. Yes, you are welcome. Angel, NQ on 2 min is above VWAP. You know, what I expect is this equal lows here seems more attractive than the up target here. So I would rather take a short than long now. I know that there is a opposite correlation between Dow Jones. So let me see the dollar. Dollar is dropping. Strange. The market is just went nuts here. You know, my bias is bullish, but as long as we see this low here without clearing out this, so it seems like a thing. So that okay, it's coming for us. So the idea was great. The idea was this, right? But it took so much time. It took so much crazy time. And there were a lot of choppiness. So, you know, the psychology does the job here, because when the price just fall here and come back nearly to your entry point, you will consider as a human, should I close it, because there was a lot of profits down here, but now it's all disappear in just like 3 minutes. I got you. Come on, do something. Just go up or down. So this was the high. 5 minutes. When I start streaming, my whole internet got crashed. I don't know why. So we clear out this Asia highs and we went back down. So there was the equal low. This is ICT sessions one setup for life. It's very nice indicator, but you cannot always leave it open since it's, you know, crazy messy indicator. Okay, the target has been hit. I got alerted. Very nice. So that was initial target. Very, very good. If some of you guys took this trade, you did a great job. So what I want, I want to see a pullback now, and the targets are very clear actually. This is a nice one. Where is this? If we still want to go down, this is the target. There is a 50 points. What a crap day. So you can see clearly now. Let me just. Everything happened in this price range here. The previous day low, the Monday low, the previous month low. What is this? And there is a previous day high. It is an absolute choppy market situation. You know, even if your ideas are nice, so with this price action, something like this, it's a problem, because if you remember the first idea here that we discussed, that was the first idea. I told you guys that when the price comes somewhere here, take a partial and move your stop loss to your break even. So what you see here, there is a wick, so you could get stopped out, and it sucks. But you can, you know, re-enter here, but if I do it, I don't think so. Even I didn't like the price action here, I didn't take this trade, but that was a nice idea. Sometimes this happens, but sometimes you tell yourself that, oh, thanks God I didn't enter, but this was the target. You can just go back and see, because a lot of people come here and come in the comments after I post some profit, say that, oh, you don't do this on live. I tell everything on the live session here. I told you that there is a sell signal, there is a bearish fair value gap, we took out the high, so I expect short. So this is my entry, this is my target, and what do you see here? In 20 minutes later, the target has been hit. It was a choppy, but the target hit. So the ideas and the model is working. The problem is you need to stick with the one model, you need to master the one model, and you need to follow that model. So what I see now is there is a bearish fair value gap, and there is a one more target down here, but there is a target up here. So how do I decide? Without I seeing a buy signal from the logs, it's a nice indicator for me. After I check the bullish fair value gap and the whole price section, I use the inner circle trader strategy and the concepts. So I combine those two strategies to create an ultimate power on my chart, and it really works well for me. I pass a lot of challenge accounts and I take a lot of payouts with them. So you need to be patient, because you know, even if you pass the challenge in the one day, it's nonsense, because the Apex wants you to become a consistent profitable trader. There's a 30% rule. So you cannot make a $3,000 in one day after you pass the challenge to request a payout. It will be denied, right? So the best thing is making a consistent profits, like a $300, $400 per day, and sometimes you will lose. That's completely fine. And you could, yeah, you know, you could make a $1,000 one day. It's no problem. Looking nice. So the Dow Jones is holding the fair value gap on 1 minute. Looking good. S&P 500 did, yeah, it's make a low of the session here. Okay. I'm, you know, waiting patiently for my opportunity, because if I took a one trade, I will make $600, $700. So all you need to do is just wait patiently until the opportunity and the setup come to you. Don't rush yourself, because some days you will see 3 setups, 4 setups. Some days you will not see a setup. I talk too much today. If price couldn't hold these levels, so what we expect is one more short, easy like that, and the stop will be this. So 1 to 2. this is the second idea that we are talking, not taking this trade, but most likely it will hit the target, I believe. Come on, after I click the time frame button, it keeps waiting. Trading SK trading strategy, that all I am saying. What do you mean? Stinky yucky fire, what the? Welcome to live session, guys. Okay, this could be a stop hunt. Let's see. Choppy market situation here. I don't want to see this candle goes above this one. So what I plan is, if I see a bullish signal and if I see a bullish fair value gap, we'll jump on the trade, we'll target these highs and these highs. Let's see. Murat Atalay, welcome to live session. Which broker are you trading? I'm using Apex and trading on the Trade08. We are trading NASDAQ today, guys. As always, the futures are the best. I used to trade options, but oh, come on. It's the worst thing. But if you like gambling, or if you know something about the stock, if you have an insider info, that's nice tool because you have a great leverage. Okay, let's get rid of this. Still no fair value gap or anything like that. Fibonacci, bro, it looks complicated trading those order blocks. What do you mean? We always use Fibonacci's, but because you need to use it properly. Okay, the still bearish idea continues. This is something like this. We have nice ideas, but the market situation is not looking good to execute its rates. Now there is a bearish fair value gap. You can jump, but the risk reward is now it's a choppy. If the price went here, not worth the risk. So the initial idea was nice, but there was no enough confirmation, right? I don't know, maybe we should take it. Oh, I don't know, but you know, the ideas are great. We just throw it two ideas and both of them was win. I didn't took it because there were not enough confirmation for me to push the button, and that, you know, kills me. Oh, look at this. Jesus Christ. I hate when this happens. Tick by tick. Okay, we have a question. What type of trader are you, intraday or scalping? So mostly what I do is I trade between let me think, 8 a.m. to lunchtime. That's how I trade. Very, very rare conditions I took a trade in the power hour. Wow. I don't know why I didn't took it. Tape reading session, it's something like this now. If it took those trades, that would be nice, but oh my gosh. Come on. We didn't deserve this. We deserve to capture those profits. Target has been hit, guys. If you took it, I'm very happy someone took it. But, you know, it's always better to wait for confirmation. Tick by tick. This is how we call. The catching the reverse is I think the hardest thing, but if you can catch it, it would be nice. So as we clear out these lows, let me just clear those. So the targets on the upside, it is nice. Okay, so the ES made a low, the NQ made a low. Dow Jones made a session low? No. Okay. Why Dow Jones is doing like this today is strange. I'm expecting a couple of ticks or... Come on. Even on 10 minutes, it's looking like a fire. I hope you guys are learning something new today. Kanhan, possible buy entry to buy cable. There is a break of structure, made a pullback to the strong support zone. Yeah, today I saw a one. Yeah, I don't trade the Forex market, but if you see the perfect setup, just do it. So this is done, guys. I'm deleting it. I start trading with the Forex markets. Sometimes I missed it, but mostly I forgot the lot size using the MetaTrader and all that stuff. So this is done. It would be nice that we see the clearing out these lows over here. I checked twice if I did, you know, wrong line here, but it was correctly plotted. Yeah, sometimes it does this. doesn't clear out. I don't care now. Do we have a fair value gap here? On 15-minute time frame? No, on the 5-minute we have. All right. I don't have an idea now. Should we take a long here? Or... So this line is something I don't like, but let's see. I would be more comfortable if I see the price just clear out these lows here, because there is, I feel like there is an unfinished business resting over here, because it's just like 2 points or something. Even this is an entry point. Look at this. Why you don't talk it, Borsa? Because we have, you know, I'm looking for that kind of move. That was nice move, but look at this choppiness here. So the problem with the stop loss regarding to fair value gaps, you need to, you know, manage, I think, manually, because as you can see here, we have this bearish fair value gap, but this a bloody wick come here and can stop you out. You need to always wait a candle closure, but sometimes the candles like this, so this is a problem. Third idea, oh my gosh, today we're banking on virtual. Oh, I wish we took these trades on the virtual account here, the paper trading. Do I have a target down below? We have this Monday low. What's the market now? It's like a flat. Okay, so the Monday low is 46 here, 0.32. Okay. Okay, the third idea is banking. Congrats. If you guys took it again, this is the third idea. Oh my gosh. You know, I'm glad that everything is recording live, as you can see, and I'm just not, you know, I'm putting everything on the YouTube so you can go and rewatch. Nice. So Kanhan, I see the price, I see that price is trying to correct the level before it moves down. Yeah, that's nice. Let me see the cable. Oops. It's moving very, very good. Oh boy. Okay, so the cable. Let me see what's it's looking like. It's very similar to NQ now. I feel like I'm looking over the NASDAQ chart. Strange. I don't know. Is this, you know, making a commentary about the FX is not my profession, because I don't know. I need to have spent some time on the FX markets before I can say something, but it looks very choppy here. I'm sad because we could took this trade on my live account, but you know, anyways. Sometimes you just don't feel like you are pushing the button, I guess. But I showed everything here, so you could took it. If you took it, that's very nice. Okay, so there is no SMT here, and everything may get any low. NQ is red. If you care, I don't care. So the third trade is done. I think the first here, the second one here, the third one, it was a nice quick scalp. Voila. I'm not letting it so if the newcomers can see it. Ladies and gentlemen, we are live on YouTube and showing everything step by step, why I'm taking the trade, why I can't took the trade and all that stuff, why I didn't go long here, and rather than we looking for short and we putting the idea of short, and it's hit by the every tick of it, and I'm proud of it. So do you guys have any questions? You can ask me, don't be shy, and you know this drill here. What's going on with the stream? Okay. I really like my new monitor setup here. It's give me a ability of looking all the markets at a glance. Guys, if you are enjoying this live session, do me a favor and crush the like button, please. Because you know it's a free education, I guess. Very, very insightful day today. Look at this. As long as we see this fair value gap here, we're still bearish. Why? Because we have a targets down below, we have Monday low, previous day low, and there's equal lows here. So you know these blue lines are acting as a magnet. Price wants to go there and liquidate every trader. Because the retail trader thinks that, oh, we reached a support zone or demand zone or whatever you want to call it. On a PA prop firm, yeah. Using Apex and the take profit trader. I just started using take profit trader, so I can't say anything about them for now, but seems nice. But the Apex is very good. Oh, what I see now is an SMT here. The NQ didn't make a low, S&P made a low, so this is kind of a long first rule of the long signal for my conditions. Let's see what we have. We have this breaker here, right? Okay, change of character or market structure shift is inbound. This fair value gap is about to blow off. Let me just make it manually. This is a bearish fair value gap, but it's about to become an inversion. So the 3 PAD arrays. What time is now? The 10:20. Make much on the 50k account. I have. You know, it doesn't matter you are in the 50k or 25k, but I think I feel the most comfortable with the 50k account. I think I got used to it. because when I trade with my own funds it was nearly the same amount, so I always kept the 50, I withdraw the profit, or if I make a loss I deposit it, so vice versa. So the 50k is a sweet spot for me, but if I choose another size I think 150k will be nice. So it is a potential inversion, okay, it's not yet. 10 seconds. So this is the target. So why this is so let me make it like this, it's not visible. You know, the most important thing is, I think, because I got stopped out like a couple of times, obviously you need to always wait for your confirmation. So the inversion, you know, this is not, so it's not inversion, still a bearish fair value gap. The candle must close above. If this is a breaker, the candle must close above, then you can initiate your position and target here. So it will like one, I think, you know, the risk reward not bad. You can target here, I don't know, it really depends, but the initial here and the second target here, even the market can make a new high, because I feel like the, you know, as I say in the beginning of the live session, the bias is bullish, but the market has an unfinished job in the down below. But if you look at on a bigger picture, you can see that there is a very high, you know, unfilled highs here. So for example this one and this one, so we have much highs here, and if you go to on lower time frames on the bigger picture you can see more. But first, market has, you know, must clear out these lows. Unfinished business. All right, potential setup here. I think the, you know, maybe this is a very aggressive, but this can be a stop loss also. The halfway of it, just below it. But as I said earlier, what I prefer is managing my stop loss manually, or just putting way, let's say if I want to put here, I will put here. Why? Because these wicks, some like this, will blow your, you know, position, then it will drop, poof. But your psychology also poof, right? Okay, look at this, a trend line here. As a reminder, don't forget to hit that like button, guys, because I didn't say since we start. I saw that you guys are forgetting that sometimes. This, you know, motivates me to see those likes. Okay, Black Salgo doing a great job today, huh? Dun, 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 dun. I can make this like the, oh, this color is so crap. Templates. If I do like this, no, come on. Anyways, so as you guys can see, we didn't took a long, because you see my the fill here, sorry, the stop order. I want to see this bearish fair value gap returns to what? A bullish inversion. Then the candle must close above this breaker. then I can initiate. So if the price wanna go down, this is the second scenario. I mean like a current scenario. As long as we have this, I think Monday low will be a sweet spot and the stop loss just above this tick. I think you should guys now learn the whole strategy that I'm using, and the Lux is still on green, sorry, red. You know, the question is, can you just initiate the position with the rejection from here? You know, it's like you can do it, but you need to put stop loss tight, and it can blow the account if you don't do it. Fallon, welcome to live session. This is very cool to see Lux in action. I am in the same trade. You can do this thing. Just Lux, I'll go with that. Yeah. Glad you guys enjoying the Lux algo. So this is a real example actually. If we see the price just goes above this fair value gap and didn't close the body above it, it's a stop hunt, I can call it. Look at this now, we're watching. Let's see. Oh, it's now an inversion. Price doesn't want to go down. All right, let's mark that up. Are we going to see a reversal? Okay. Oh, and seems interesting. See, equal highs, the Dow Jones, the S&P 500. I waited so long today to initiate a position. Boy, we have this. Let me see. I don't want to miss something here. Is this on 1 minute? Yes, this is 1 minute chart, guys. Price is moving so fast. This is nice. I think we can see a oh, we got a buy. We got a buy signal. I want to jump. There's a breaker, there's an inversion looking bullish to me. I think we will see a reversal. What time is it now? The 10th. Tight stop loss, we can, you know, jump. Oh, so fast, moving so fast. Come on, I have this limit order here. 850 is my limit order. If you can please fill me up, it would be very nice. Come on, just one thing. Yeah, I got filled. Very good. Cool. So the tight stop loss, I think, would be nice. This is also a bullish inversion. The chart, my chart is messed up now. I hope you guys can follow up. Yeah, I'm using Lux. You guys saw that we got the confirmation. We got a lot of now inversion on bullish. We have this breaker. I want to see that activated. It would be very nice. Still riding the trade. Chopping around. Price is trying to correct at 910. Great place to set up a sell order. 910. Oh yeah, you're right. But you know, anyways, that you need to have a confirmation when the price came there. You know, I don't feel comfortable when I just away from my screen and you know put the just order there, because you know everything can happen while the price moves to that direction. I don't know. That's what I think. All right. We have a two bullish fair value gap and we have an inversion obviously. So I want to see this breaker get activated. It would be nice, right? So couple of scenarios, couple of things. Choppy market, and I think we're in the silver bullet time, yeah. Tight stop loss and nice take profits. That's how I like. I was about to end the live session, but the market is giving a reverse here. What's on your trade 08? Is that the EMA? Yeah, it's the EMA. I think it's no, it's VMA. Yeah, 20 VMA. You can see it here. But to be honest, I never use it. A choppy market session, but you know it's very insightful. It's very nice. It was fun day, and we are discussing with you guys. So it's I really like today's live session. So market looks like you want to go up because we clear out these two lows like we discussed earlier. I think this is the fourth idea that we are now discussing it. The three of them was very, very nice, to be honest. Let's see. What's the question? Works okay under and over. 20 EMA. Yeah, it is VMA. The works okay under and over. I didn't get what you mean, Busta. A small position here. I'm expecting a reversal, to be honest. It's like a quick scalp. It's when this, I think this ice will be cleared out, I can go out, something like this. Yeah, 5 contracts left and 72 around will be fine. 72, this high is 71 actually, it would be safe. Let's see, don't want to get, you know, partials are always nice. Some people doesn't like it, but I like it. These moves are killing me. Come on. Okay, I'm out. Not bad. Very good actually. 367. Ride or die. If you guys enjoying this live session, crush the like button for me, please. Okay, I'm out, by the way, on this trade, guys. If you saw it, I don't know, but just quick heads up for you. Made a quick scalp, entered at 840 and the 51 the partial, and the 54 is the second partial. I'm very happy with that. But you know, the idea is still looking good. You know, if you want to expand it, so you can like something like this. If you want to hold, I don't think that the price will go below this. Something like this also, looking aggressive, but it's nice. So I think this 2.5. Oh, a lot of talkings in the chat. Busto bro, going against the trend is not ideal. In my case, not a good idea. Yeah, inversion to upside. Yeah, inversion on the upside. That this was bearish fair value gaps, right? Now it's become a bullish, so it's inversion. And actually, you know, the ideal entrance will be this one. So when the breaker got activated, we can see a more aggressive move, something like this. But if you want to take an early entry, you can do it here like this. No, it really depends. When I see this market is chopping around, I just want to get my partial and go away, you know. Sometimes price do a torture for you, even if your idea is right. You guys are right. So the Dow Jones, okay, let's see the lows here. We have same low on the Dow Jones and the NQs here, the S&P 500. Okay, looking still bullish to me. Yeah. Just need some time. Seems like Dow Jones is done with going upside. Now is, you know, going down. It does opposite everything that the NQs does. So strange. Okay. So the only, you know, the thing is we have a Monday low and the previous day low. Can price go there? It's a possible, but you know, now since we have this two inversion and taking out these lows, it's looking bullish. But as I said, the best idea is the going long with this breaker. Only 20 months into trading, love to learn. Busta, you're doing a great job. 12 months is nuts. You know, something to be considered. It's very nice. So if you become a consistent now, it will, you know, improve your trading very much. What I can suggest you is go in front of the chart every day if you can. I don't know if your job lets you do that, but the chart time is the most important thing in the trading, because after some time it will be like you are cursed. You will, once you see it, you cannot unsee the setup. That's how I think actually. You see guys, this is the, like we discussed, this is the best idea that. So we have entered this trade actually, but since we didn't like the price action, we closed the trade, as you see on my trade 08, and if I want to go long one more time, because we'll end the live session very soon, I will take after this breaker got activated. And you know, to be honest, I don't want to see a new low. If we see a new low, so this will be an, I don't know, I don't have an idea on the low short side. I don't have. I will not take a trade if I don't see this breaker got activated, you know. So what do we have here? Okay. Hope you are on 1 minute. What is the sensitivity you choose? Let me just quickly tell you what was my sensitivity. It is 16, but I don't know if you were here in the beginning of the live session. As I said, since the market is choppy, I checked you know, the backtest tool. The win rates are very low today, so you know, you should always triple check the signals today. It's not the day that the indicators are working well, because it's very choppy market. Look at this. Look at this. Just what I said like 3 minutes ago. It stop you out, then it's move. Why? Because you need to always manage your stop loss manually, right? So yeah, macros and the apex at the moment, very good. It seems it's once, yeah, I don't think that it will break the low, but if it does, we could expect that the reversal will come at after lunchtime. It can do it, but everything can happen now. What is going on? I'm not on real time now. Come on. Yep. What was the value of the bullish signal? -2 or 3? Yeah, macros through that breaker need. Yeah. Otherwise, no need. How do I go in the strategies tester? You need to go to indicators tab and just search for Lux Algo, and you will see the backtesting tool here. Backtesting system, right? It is signals and overlays, what I'm using. Do you think higher sensitivity coupled with bullish signal would have been better? This is, you know, I cannot say yes or no. Why? Because it really depends on the market situation. Because right now it's a choppy market. The high sensitivity will give you very less signal, but you can miss a lot of opportunities. So what I can say, you know, the volume was here, right? This is like a market open. It gave you sell signal. There was a bearish fair value gap. If you didn't watch the live session, go and check out how we did it in the beginning. So let me just quickly show you. If you come and change your sensitivity like a 25, right? So you will see that some of your signals will disappear and will give you the signals later on. So we got a 2 classified here. It changed 1 to 2, and the buy signal is disappeared. So you know, it really depends on how you want to trade, but still there is a lot of false signals. But you know, as all of you guys know, that this is a no trade zone for us, right? So since like 8 o'clock. Just want to see if the price goes above there. Look at this. Still this bullish fair value gaps holding. It means that price want to go up. We can see a reversal. And if we see that Dow Jones making a new low of the session, but the S&P and the NQ is acting as exactly the same. So I think we'll finish here, guys. That was a very nice live session. I really like today's price action with you. I just took a one trade, and let me just quickly show you one more time. We make a $367. We entered a long here and we closed somewhere here. We took a partial here because we didn't like the price action, and what I was waiting is just price will go above the breaker, activate it, and we'll take a long target somewhere here, or you can target here and here. You guys know how we do it. Just a moment. So I hope you guys enjoyed this live session, and open your notification bell, crush the like button, because I will do it next time very soon. And if you want to get notified, make sure you enable your notifications. And thank you guys for being here. It was nice to meet you, all of you. So if you guys have any questions, you can just write on the comments. I will see them and answer them. So